Hi there guys, back on the golf. In last episode we put the dash in, carpet in, sound ending, a few other bits. But yeah, now that's done, I want to get this here engine running because, well, it's not. I don't think I'll be getting all these vacuum pipes done today, but I just want to hear it fire and tick over ish. Yeah, I've got a box full of new goodies. Right, these are the new goodies. They put a TikTok on the other day, so if you haven't seen it, yeah, why not? It's free. Anyway, we've got fuel pipe. Let's see that bit. A little bit more fuel pipe. Some vacuum hose. We've got filters, some cheap stuff because I have no idea what's in the tank. Brand new hose clips. Let's leave that one for last, shall we? We have a new in a battered box coil. Just because we have brand new plug leads. What else do we have? Bleed nipples. Well, they're for the brakes, which I'm not doing today. And we have these. These are for the air filter box. Don't think we'll be doing that either today, but anyway. Got some indicators, side repeaters for the wings because I can't get in them boxes for some reason. Anyway, what's in this box? In this box we have what are these? Oh, these are for me transporter, so no idea what they're doing in there, but yeah, they're not nothing to do with it. Right, now this bit is the bit I was the last part of the puzzle I was waiting for, and it is like come out, this thing. It's the main feed. The main feed goes in, return, so like your overflow as such, and then your main feed into your carburetor, because this is a carburetor version. Yeah, and that goes all here. It's had a new pump on at some point in its life, no idea if it's any good. The bungee rope is here for the only reason of some unique individual snapped my bolt off, so I cannot use the proper clamp for the alternator. But I don't know if this alternator is any good because I bought it second hand for, I think it was 10-15 quid off Facebook Marketplace, literally for the only reason of so I can put it on so I can spin the water pump, because the water pump runs on the fan belt this time, well, alternator belt. So that's the only reason why I bought it. I will buy a brand new one when they are not stupid money. I've not got a cam belt yet, even though I think it's due one. Can you see? It's very, very cracked. But I just want to hear it start and run, so then I know the engine is okay, so then I haven't got to buy another engine or have this one rebuilt, because that is stupid money. So what we're going to do with first, let's take the spark plugs out first, clean them and put the new leads on. I haven't got a new distributor cap, sorry, and rotor arm. I've not got one, so I will get one, as well as I need to get new plugs, but I've not got them. So I want to get a video out to you guys because it's been well overdue. So yeah, I did some testing on the wiring for this bit here, all the way to the coil, the original coil, I'm assuming for the original one for the car, and it turns out there's a signal wire that's broke somewhere. So I followed it back here and I've just twisted it on for that. Can you see? Yeah, you can. I've just twisted it on just for temporary. I will be fixing it. I will find the brake, or maybe snip it off there and then re-sleeve it in it, so it looks OEM, good, decent, you know, all them words. Yeah, basically I just want to hear it run today, because I'm sick to death looking through my office window and not seeing it run, and it's giving me anxiety. So yeah, new starter motor's on, which has been put on a couple of months ago. I've got a decent battery, way oversized, but it's just one I've got lying around. The one I did have for it is knackered, so I need to buy a new one that fits it. But yeah, yeah, so let's take the sparky plugs out and give them a good clean off. Right there guys, and my spark plug, they're all been relatively clean. As I've been going along, I've been putting the new plug leads on, and this one is, can't really see, can you see? Yeah, it's black, that's sooty. So, and for some reason somebody's decided to, whoever painted the head did it with these spark plugs in, which, yeah, but then no, because, you know, anyway, I'll clean the ends off, give them a good clean up with a wire brush, and put it back in and put the new lead on. Right, there's all the new plug leads in and cleaned up spark plugs. I've cleaned the distributor cap and the arm. Just need to put the coil lead on. Boom. And let's put the new coil on. Yeah, let's do that next. I'll find it in there now. Right, there's a new coil all plugged in. Just going to take this pipe off here for the main feed for the carb, and can you see? I don't know if you can see or not, because I can't really see. Yeah, well, I'm mostly splitting it. You don't forget to subscribe. Shameless self-promotion. Anyway, yeah, so let's put some of the fuel pipes on, and then let's get this bolted on. Now, I'm not too sure about this, but apparently, unknown to me, that goes there. Something fuel goes right next to something that's got electric running through it. And apparently, according to Google Images, and when I went to Tatton Park, there was one of these, luckily, and yeah, apparently that goes there. So nothing happens to that, eh? Right, so let's yeah, let's put some pipes on, get some fuel running through it. Right, that's all the pipes done now. New pipe, new part, new pipe, bit of old pipe, bit of old pipe. It's the original ones for the car. At some point they must have got melted. I don't know if it's when I did all the welding down there, or if they were done before, because it looked like somebody attempted to do something down there before. But like I say, not safe, but I'm eager. I just want to get it running. So, batteries on, coils on, new leads. It might take a bit for it to pump up, but let's give it a go. I'll stick you somewhere where you can see flames, and well, hopefully not flames, but you know, so you can see something. Right, attempt number 1. That was a bit of a fail. I'm going to dribble some fuel in the carb, see if that does anything. There you go, somewhat run, very roughly, but it ran. First time in 5-6 years, something like that, I think I've been told. So yeah, let's give it another go without the fuel in there first. Right, well chuffed for that. Now the battery's gone flat, so I'm going to put a charger on it, leave it for a bit, and go with them there. Hey, fuel pump's working, which is a good thing. Yeah, let's give it a charge and go from there. Right, put a new alternator strap on here, a few zip ties. I put that on there, and I put the fuel tank there, if you can see it, just there. Not very safe, but it's in there for temporary. So yeah, let's give it a damn good go this time. Let's close the choke, shall we? It's closed. Yeah, alright, let's get to the go. Oh. Yes. It sounds, I wouldn't say amazing, sounds different. Yay. Right, it runs very, very rough. I need to sort out all these very, very tired vacuum hoses and put some water in it, because, well, it's not warm, but you know, don't want to go doing too much damage to it. Yeah, put some water in it, vacuum hoses, and try and fix this fuel thing more permanent. Yeah, really, really happy now. Yes, I'm happy. But yeah, so I've got all my things here so I can remember. I've got Instagram, Facebook, the YouTube, the Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Gmail, yeah, don't really use the WhatsApp, and Twitch. So yeah, if you'd like to follow me on any of them, obviously UK vehicles, and yeah, gratefully appreciated. We've hit, I wouldn't say it was a big milestone, but a milestone nonetheless. We've hit 60 subscribers, so yeah, thank you very much. Hope to get more upwards, you know, but you know, I'm grateful for the subscribers we've got as of now. So yeah, right, if you'd like to like, comment, subscribe, or the YouTube malarkey, we have got some merch coming soon, very soon, hopefully, if nothing lets me down. But yeah, see you later guys, bye.